Hi guys, so welcome back. It's your boy Chef Carlton. So today we're going to be making tomato soup. And we're not just going to be making tomato soup, guys. We're going to be making it from scratch. Alright, so your main ingredients, of course, is going to be your tomato, your basil. Everything else is just going to be some flavor enhancers, but those are your main ingredients, your tomato and your basil. So I'm going to go ahead and get my prep going. Then I'm going to come back and let you guys see how everything should be cut and ready. Alright guys, so when you finish your prep, this is how your prep should look. Alright, so you got your tomato that's cleaned and cut, no seeds, make sure there's no seeds. You got your basil, fresh and picked, garlic, you got your spinach. Then we're going to go ahead and combine those in the blender. Alright guys, now let's go ahead and stack our blender. Add it to Alright, now that your blender is good, you're going to pulse that. What you're going to do now, you're going to pour the base of your soup inside a pan on this burner. We're going to pour that much. You're going to get your whisk. Just whisk it. Add your veggie stock while you whisk it. I'm also going to bring out the color in it. And just bring that to a boil. And now we'll be adding the rest of the seasoning while we go. Alright, now that you're bubbling, I'm going to go ahead and add some black pepper. Add your black pepper, and add some salt. Remove that so we get more. Add some salt, then we're going to add some cayenne pepper to this, guys. And you could add red pepper flakes if you like, but I think cayenne pepper gave it that nice oomph enough for me. And then we're going to go ahead and just whisk everything together. I'm going to bring you guys closer so you guys can see what's going on. Beautiful tomato soup. Now we're going to come out with our soup. Just sit it on right there. We're going to chiffonade some basil for the garnish real quick. And remember, I have a video coming out teaching basic knife skills and cuts, and chiffonade is one of the cuts I'm going to be featuring. So for chiffonade, you roll it real tight, and you just make delicate cuts. Get the weight of the knife, do the work, no pressure. Beautiful for garnish. Should be enough. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and pour a nice cup of tomato soup. That should do the trick. I'm just going to bring this closer so you guys can see what's going on. Garnish with some Parmesan cheese. A lot of Parmesan cheese. So, some freshly cut chiffonade basil. It's like a nice dip in the middle like that. And that's it, your tomato soup.